Hello, hi, it's Liz here and welcome. So, Monday, collage assignments. It's the Margarete Miller prompts in the little book, and we will just get to page 33. And 33 is a bug or insect, a piece of lined paper or graph paper, a sequence of numbers, something rough, however you interpret that, a piece of dictionary page, and the bonus is a sticker. So I've got my little bundle here, and I have a bug or an insect, a piece of lined paper, a sequence of numbers. I have this washi tape, which is a sequence of numbers. Something rough, I'm going to swap that out for the sticker, this washi sticker. A piece of dictionary page, and this is a piece of dictionary page. Well, it's actually the whole page because it's a little tiny dictionary. Right, so that's my 5. Let's see. I think we'll put the dictionary page at the back, and I have cleverly picked out the dictionary page with the word insect. See, attention to detail. And I was thinking I would put my lined paper just under where the insect is on the page, and then put this somewhere, sticker, and this overlapping. And before we put the sticker down, we will put some washi, I think, across the lined paper. This one actually came together really quite easy for me this week. Last week was a bit tricky, but this week seemed quite easy, so that's good. I have my old magazine here to glue on, and yeah, so I'll stick the dictionary page down. So I hope everyone is well. It is absolutely pouring down here. We've had more thunder. Poor Millie is not enjoying the thunder and lightning whatsoever at all. She's starting to find new little corners to hide in, which isn't good, but there's not a lot we can do about it. There is no consoling her. So we just need to hope that it will pass soon. So about there, under the word insect, I think. So that's the dictionary page and the lined paper. And I'm going to put my sequence of numbers across the middle on top of the lined paper. There we are, easy peasy for that. Whoops. And next we are going to have our sticker and our bug. So the sticker, let's see if we can get the sticker off the backing. Oh, I did have it there. There we are. I do love these washi stickers. And let's get some glue on the bug. So I don't know if we're going to have more thunder. More thunder is forecast for tonight, but we hope not. But it is definitely feeling quite clammy and quite close. So, don't know. Right, well, that's easy. So, that's us. We've got our bug, our lined paper, our numbers, a piece of dictionary page and a sticker. Really quite an easy one. Yeah. Whereas last week took me about 2 hours to find everything that I wanted to do, and that was about 10 minutes. But you can tell that that's much more eye-catching, and this is quite ordinary, I suppose. But still, it still works. Still a nice collage. Yeah, so that's me for today. Thanks for joining me. Take care. See you next time. Bye for now.